episode, we are going to be talking about gardening and going on a field trip. So get ready, let's go! Hey everybody, we're at Grocery Outlet, and I just wanted to show you what's outside right now. I know you guys can't really get out, but these are just some ceramic pots. Pretty fancy, right? Springtime. What are the pots for? We have some blueberries, some grapes, pomegranates, and raspberries. And down here we have boysenberries and blackberries. These were once seeds, and when you plant them in soil, they begin to grow. Pretty soon they'll be big and you'll be able to pick boysenberry, blackberries, and blueberries off of these vines. Kids, over here we have some vegetables. We have some Fresno hot chili peppers here. And up here, these are called succulents. Wow, aren't those beautiful? And over here are flowers, which are Miss Dome's favorite. We have different types. I can't even say this one. Eurysium, some perennials, Lithidora, that's what they're called. And these are annual flowers. They're different types. I can't even say some of these words. Guys, your mom's gonna have to help you. But aren't they pretty? Calabarochas. These are called Lithidoras. And this is called a Presto Pink. They're different types of flowers that you can grow at home with your parents. Whoa, these are so pretty, guys. Extreme violets. These are different types of flowers that you can learn about with your parents. I have a few more to show you. Wow. Durango bees. Some more Durango bees. Serpent Plus whites, these are called. And as I pan over here, there's these different types of flowers. Conga Rose Kiss, Conga Sun Kiss, Conga Lavender, and Sprint Plus White. Oh guys, there's a bee. Oh, it just flew away. I scared him. But the bees are loving these beautiful snow white crystal flowers. And finally, to the left of the flowers, we have some organic planting soil. Its soil is dirt, and it helps your flowers to grow, or your vegetables, or your fruit. Kids, we're on a field trip to the Dollar Tree, and I want to show you some things inside. These flowers are called artificial flowers that are outside of the Dollar Tree. Let's go inside and see what we can find that has to do with gardening. I found these pots. There's big ones and medium-sized ones and small ones. Also, I see that there are seeds to grow wild flowers. At the dollar store, they have 3 different types of seeds so you can grow flowers at home. Wild flower blend, zinnias, and patens. Here at the store, I found gardening gloves, different types. Look at this one, has polka dots. This one has flowers and a flower pot. And also there's plant labels. You can write on this white area here what you're going to grow. So if you're growing things like oregano and mint, those are herbs that you can use for cooking. Okay, kids, I wanted to show you one more thing. They have different types of seeds. specialty seeds, seeds to grow your own vegetables, and seeds to grow in your own flowers. There's different types of flowers you can grow and different types of vegetables you can grow, like carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, peas, radishes, or carrots. So have fun with your mom and dad and family at home. I hope you enjoyed our trip to the dollar store. Hey kids, I'm at the dollar store and found these pots. All these different color and different types of pots. And also I found some potting soil. And look at, they even have hummingbird feeders. You could put some sweet water in there and hang it on a tree for some hummingbirds. They even have hummingbird nectar that you can put in one of these so the hummingbirds can come. Wow, wouldn't that be beautiful to see some hummingbirds? And these are things, if you had a little garden, you can decorate your garden with. Oh, look at that butterfly one. Says, welcome to my little garden. You can create a little garden at home. Some more things over here. Oh, here's some tools. They're called shears, maybe to trim your flowers. Oh, this is a thermometer to tell you how hot it is outside, how your garden's gonna grow. This is an attachment you can put on your hose to water your flowers. Oh, I didn't see these before, guys. This is a little tool to shovel and a little mini rake. See that? To till your dirt, get your dirt ready to plant your wonderful things. I see a ladybug I'm going to put in my garden. I hope you guys enjoyed that field trip. I brought some stuff home so we could do a little activity ourselves. I got some potting soil. I got a pot. I put a little bit of potting soil in here. Always make sure that your pot has some holes on the bottom so that when you put water, the water drains out of the bottom and it's not all soaking wet and drowns your seeds. So I put a little bit of potting soil in there, and I got these flowers. They're seeds and they're mixed colors. They're called semi-dwarf Plumelia, zinnia flowers, okay? So inside, come a little bit closer, there's seeds. See the seeds? These seeds are going to grow into flowers. Okay, so I'm gonna put some seeds in here. I'm gonna put a lot because I want a lot of flowers. Okay, now I'm gonna cover those with some more soil. Seeds need water, soil, here's the water, and sun. Okay, now I'm going to put this here by my other little pot I have here, which I'm going to put some more seeds around my flowers that I already have planted. Finish out the soil. Okay, there's one more thing I want to finish off my little garden with. I found this at the dollar store, and it says welcome on it. It has a little hummingbird, and I'm going to hang that right here. And that's our little garden. See you later.